Is that part of the requirement to be qualified under the state witness protection program? That is not part. Why na iya kinanglan? Restitution should be after. So amo na masiling naton, wala gid ini pakagtuan ang aton ipa-juice ta na lang ini, no? Gusto ko man tani magupod sa marcha galing tanay mo takladlawan sinada, no? Pasensya lang sa nagupod kaya not all of them are sincere in joining those trillion march. Kung si President Marcos pa maunpa-intra man si tanay ko, no? Paano mag-intra kay ikaw sila ang nag-umpisa sila ginamarsahan? Ginatudlo mo lang si Saldico, si Romualdez, pero practically ang tanan naton nga lawmakers may involvement gid sa corruption. I even doubt the creation of this independent commission for infrastructure because only kung gusto mo nga may ngipon ini, it must be in the form of a law. Congress should pass a law and the President should certify as ordained the creation of an independent commission for infrastructure and all other so that all other problems can be solved by this independent commission. Hindi lang sa infrastructure, practically in all government agencies may anomalya. Sang una acceptable pa, pero galing subungan niya daw trillion na niya, no? During the time ni, ay mata sila nga may perfect na administrasyon, pero this is the worst. Kung si Frank Drilon pa, ang mga district engineer, labi na iya sang congressman nga maapuwen. Kay amo na ang kolektor nila sa ila mga projects. Sino pala mga proponents ng projects? Is it not the congressmen or senators?